Hey there, are you young single who desire to attract healthy, happy love that leads to a lasting marriage? Well, if that's you, you're in the right place. My name is Jo Bullock, and I'm a marriage prep coach and life transformational coach, help you to create the life you love and attract and keep the love of your life. Listen, I have a couple questions for you. Have you tried, as it pertains to the things of your past, have you tried this, trying to let things go, trying to just talk about it, being angry about it? Perhaps you've, as it pertains to dating, you dated online, you tried social media dating, you tried even dating your ex or dating in the church, and all of these things, abstaining, none of it has worked. It hasn't been effective. You find yourself kind of just going from one relationship to another relationship, or maybe you're in a dead dry season when you haven't had a date in years and you're like, really, what's going on? Have you been so focused? Listen, have you been so focused on your career, getting your bachelor's degree, your master's degree, your doctoral degree, that you haven't even had time to date, or maybe focus all on your kids? Well, hey, listen, I have something for you, because what you need is not just to get out there and go out and meet people, because if you go to places and meet people and you show up the same way, you're going to get the same results. What you need is a process, something step by step to show you how to embody all the confidence that's in you, how to activate your power and your feminine energy to show up as a woman confidently, and how do you form a meaningful connection with a guy that makes him naturally attracted to you, and you don't feel like you have to allure him with your physical attributes. And lastly, how do you get clarity about what it is that you want, what is it that you need in dating and in engagement, all the way to marriage, and that whole process. So I share with you my method in an upcoming training. And then we start with the first step of the healing process, what is detoxing. And I teach you to let go so you can love again. If you wanted to get access to the first module of my dynamic training of my Ready to Love program, and really just get some great information to help you to move forward, to start your healing journey so you can let go and love again, because really that's the first step, is healing and restoration, so you can just love from a healthy place. If that's you, click the link and I'll see you on the other side. Be blessed.